so Madhamangal said, Krishna, you don't believe how many flower bombs they have, how much gulal. They have thousands and thousands of pitchkaris, these syringes. And the gopi syringes, the pitchkaris, were 1 meter long. 1 meter long and 6 inches in diameter. About this big in diameter. So they could fill up about 4 liters. 4 liters of water. And mixed with gulal and roses and other flowers that would be soaking in the water. It was very fragrant and wonderful. And when they shot those pitchkaris, it would go about 10 meters. And they still have some of those pitchkaris. In Nandagal and Barsana, when you go there, the Brahmins, they bring them out from the temple and they shoot everyone with a big, big size. And they just go so far in the temple. So Madhamangal said, we should get out from here because they have so much that we still have a chance to save our lives if we leave now. So then Krishna says, what are you doing? Be quiet. Whose side are you on anyway, Madhamangal? You come here, you're dancing around and you're glorifying the enemy party. You're saying they have so much weapons, we don't have any weapons, we should leave. They have so many Sakhi soldiers, and they'll defeat us so easily. So this is the original Holi. It was a very wonderful celebration. It went on for 40 days, all over Braj. So Mahaprabhu would sing bhajans about this, about Madhamangal and the Sakhis playing music and dancing and squirting. And then Mahaprabhu, he would hear, and they would start dancing, and then he would enter his mood of Krishna in Vrindavan. And then Gadadhar Pandit, he would enter the mood of Radharani. And then some of the servants, some of the dasas would hand some powders to Gadadhar Pandit and to Mahaprabhu. And they would start putting powders on each other and throwing powders. So Mahaprabhu enacted this festival also, Holi, Vasant Holi. We call this Holi Purnima. This is Holi Purnima or Gaur Purnima. So here, and also, so that's Nitya Leela going on in the spiritual world. Lord Chaitanya is also playing Holi in the Navadvip in the spiritual world. And Radha and Krishna are playing Holi.